Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to integrate Webflow to Brevo, which is formerly called Sendinblue. So integrate Brevo with Webflow to automate email marketing workflows, synchronize contact data, and track campaign engagement without manual exports. So this is why we are doing this. Now, to embed Brevo, sign up for using Webflow's embed elements, you simply have to create a sign up form. So it's very simple. Just go here. As you can see, you have to create a sign up form in Brevo. So go to Brevo guys. Here we are in Brevo. We need to create ourselves an account. So there we go. Go here, sign up with Google, and once you create your own account, it's very simple and easy to follow up. Click on continue here and there, and you will be all ready to set it up. Once you create your account here, I will answer later, and this is where it's begins. So you will need to start yourself with an actual plan because it is not for free. Once you create an account, go ahead and make yourself a sign up form, which is very easy to make, and then go back to your site on Webflow. So once you are in Webflow, you're gonna open Webflow, and this is something that you need to understand guys. To get this integration going on, you need to buy a premium plan both in Brevo and in Webflow. So in Webflow, the function that we need is this one. Go to add, click on element and search for code, and you have here code embedded. So now to have this code embed function, you would need to actually get yourself an actual premium plan. So this is not possible, so you cannot really do it without yourself having basically the premium plan. So you could search, for example, for HTML, you can search for whatever. There is no way for you to add this code without an actual premium plan. So you really need to have it. So upgrade your plan by going to the page dashboard, go back right here, go to the plans and get yourself a premium plan. Once you have it, well, as you can see, this is the custom code that we are looking for. Go ahead and copy the code of your sign up form that you created in Brevo and copy it and paste it in the embed code in Webflow. And that's pretty much it. Then click on save and publish your site. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.